Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add Hindi songs to your video using the InShot app. If you are a fan of Hindi music and you want to add some Bollywood magic to your videos, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. One thing to remember, InShot does not have the Hindi songs, so you need to import it from your music library or files. Find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap onto the video and one video that you want to edit. Tap onto the audio section. Then again tap onto music right here. And here you can find the option of imported. Tap on it. Now to import the music, tap onto the import button right here. And now select the files. Now here you can find there is the Hindi song that you have added to your library. Now tap onto the song, select the OK button right here and then choose the Hindi song that you want to add to your video and use it. And that's how you add Hindi song to your videos. Now you have just added the Hindi song to your video using InShot. It's that simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.